Hi everybody! Hello po sa inyong lahat. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to share with you how I make this bucket hat. And it turned out like a little bit slouchy on the top of the head. So if you want to make like this style, I'm going to show you with the tutorial. You will need these colors, and this is all acrylic and polyacrylic yarn, and I use 4.0mm crochet hook. To give you a brief insight, you just need to do a 9x9 half double crochet in each patch of the color. For beginners, we will do a slip knot and chain of 10. Once you have chain of 10, we will do a half double crochet second chain from the hook on the back bump of this chain right here, and half double crochet each of the stitches until we reach on the last stitch of the row. Once you reach to the end of the row, you still have 9 half double crochets. And don't forget to do a chain 1 every end of the row. And do half double crochet each 9 stitches or chains, back and forth. Once you completed the 9 rows of half double crochet, this is the end of my row. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 rows of half double crochets. And then make a chain and cut the yarn. And we just need to insert our hook in the first chain like this. Make a chain and do a half double crochet in the same stitch in the same chain, and just continue half double crochet each of the chain back and forth, and don't forget to do a chain of 1 every end of the row, and just continue doing in each of the colors, and we will meet right at the end when we complete all the patch. And by the way, for the 2 colors, for maroon and black, you just need to alternately change the color. You just need to slip through for changing the colors. Once you finish all the colors or the patches, we will cut a yarn And then we will sew the both of the patches like this. We just need to insert the darning needle in the front loop, right here in the front loop, and in the back loop of the other side. So I insert my darning needle on the yellow patch on the front, and I insert the darning needle on the back loop of the dark yarn. And just do this, I'll just insert the darning needle alternately on each of the stitches. So front and then back, like this. Front and back of the dark color, and you just continue doing this until we finish sewing all the color or the patch. And this is what it look like once you're done sewing like this. This is our back and this is the front. After done all the sewing, we'll just do a single crochet each side of the chain so we can close. When you're done, we will do the crown of the hat. We will do a decreases in every squares here and on the next, and I mark with the stitch marker where I decrease the stitches. For beginners, single crochet decrease, we will remove the stitch marker, insert the hook, grab the yarn, you have 2 loops, insert the hook in the next chain, grab the yarn, you have 3 loops, yarn over and pull through 3 loops, and that's how you decrease single crochet decrease. So just do single crochet decrease in each of the stitch marker and do a single crochet in the following. And also when you notice that your stitch marker are not in the line of the square, you just need to transfer the decrease on the line. Just continue doing decreasing until we reach on the top of the crown of the head. And once you have 10 stitches left on the stitches around or chain around, just remove the stitch marker and just decrease all the chains. For the brim of the hat, this is the front and this is the back. You need to flip the hat and then we will do a half double crochet. For the brim of the hat, we just do a increases in each side of the square, or do a 2 half double crochet in each side of the square. In each side of the square, we will zoom out. So in each side of the square, here, 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 and here, we will do a 2 half double crochet in each side of the square. So here we will add one more half double crochet in the same stitch, and that's how we increase in every round of the brim of the hat. And when you reach to the end, we will do a 2 half double crochet in the end of the stitch, and after we will slip stitch on the third chain right here, because we will do a chain of 2 and then right here chain of 2, and then we will slip stitch at the top of the first half double crochet. Slip stitch, and then chain of 2, and continue doing half double crochet and increase in every side of the square. And we will meet right at the end of the round 4. And this is the end of my round 4. We will do a slip stitch right at the top of the first half double crochet. Make a slip stitch and then chain and cut the yarn. And then hide the tail inside the stitches. And that's it for all of the tutorial. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you have any question, let me know in the comment below. And you can also follow me on my Instagram account, so you will be updated of new video that I will upload on this YouTube channel. And thank you so much for watching, and see you again next time.